So what is up people, welcome to my channel Dr. Crazy Science. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to edit your YouTube videos or any other videos on your mobile phone using an app called Kinemaster. So let's jump right into the video. After opening the app for the first time, they'll be asking you run an analysis a hardware performance option. So make sure you run it and then let's wait for it. Let's wait for the results. So the analysis has been successfully completed. So now let's all you have to do is just click OK, and now let's go see what is the device capability of your phone. So all you have to do is go to the settings of the Kinemaster and then go to an option called device capability information. Click on it and you can see my phone supports 4K, which is 2160p. So yeah, now let's go and edit. So click on the center button, then choose the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then as you can see, you'll get an interface of the Kinemaster. There are so many options here and there. So first of all, we are going to add some files. So you will find the file button option on the top. So click it and then you'll get some video files option. So choose which video file you want to choose. And I'm going to choose 3 video files of this PUBG Mobile gameplay. So this is going to be one, and this is going to be the second one, and this is going to be the third one. So after choosing, click the tick button. Then as you can see, this is my video file. So this is going to be the timeline, which is on the bottom, which I'm scrolling on from right to left and left to right. This is going to be the timeline. From this only you can edit by trimming or merging or doing anything. So I'm going to trim this part of the video. So click on the video file, click on the scissors button, and I'm going to trim the left side of the part. So click the left side trim button, and as you can see, it has been successfully trimmed. So this part is trimmed, and let's go to the second one. So I'm going to trim the second video also. So we have the second video here. I'm just going to choose a place from where I'm going to trim. So I'm gonna trim it from here. So again, click on the file, video file, then click on the scissors button, and I'm gonna trim it from the left. So click the trim button to the left. Then on the third video, I'm gonna trim it from the right, the behind part. So all you have to do is choose until which part you need the video. So I want it from here. So I'm going to click it and again click on the scissors button, and I'm going to put trim to trim up the right part of the video. So as you can see, it has been successfully trimmed. So now we have learned how to trim the videos. So now we are going to learn how to mute the existing video and add a different music on the background. So all you have to do is click on the selected video file on the timeline, and then go to this volume option and mute it by just selecting it. And go to the second video and do the same. Do it as shown in the video, and for the third one also the same. So it's successfully muted, and now we are going to add an external audio to the file. Click on the audio option on the circle, not this, the other one, and then choose your selected audio file. So I'm going to choose audio file, then click on the plus button and make sure it's getting added. As you can see on the in the timeline, an audio has been added. So only for the half of the video it has been added. So let's complete the rest also. And this is going to be the full timeline, and you'll have a mini player. So you just click that button and it comes as the full timeline. So let's complete the audio now. So I'm gonna trim some of the audio and add another music to the background. So do as the same how you trim the video, and then I'm gonna go as the same how I choose the music for the background. And then I have chosen it and it has come successfully. And we have some external parts which are going off the video. You can just trim it by clicking on it and then clicking the scissor button, trim, and then trimming the right part. So it's trimmed. So now you can see we have successfully learned how to add background music for the video. So now we are going to learn how to add text for the video. So first of all, find which place you want the text to be. So let me choose a place. So I want the text to be here. So all I have to do is click on the layer option, then click on text, then type in whatever the text you want. I'm gonna type oh my god, OMG, and I click OK. And then you can move the text or make it big or small, or else you can rotate it. So I'm gonna change the color now. So I'm gonna change the color to black. So that's it, and all you have to do is click the tick button on the top. So I've added text over here. So let's also go to another place and add a text. So I'm gonna add the text over here. So again, go click on layer, click on text, and I'm gonna just type help, and then click on OK. And you can adjust the size like before. And then I'm gonna change the color to red. So just click the tick button and you're good to go. So you can see the text is successfully done. You can just move the timeline and check. You can check it by moving. And the next one is over here. So you can go to the bigger timeline and also check if you want. So you have successfully learned how to add the text now. So now let's go see how to add the transition. So first of all, swipe until you find the separating part of the video. So here's one and here's the second one. So all you have to do is go click on it, then swipe down. This is a transition effect, different types of transition effect. I'm going to use 3D transition. Then for this I'm going to use checker flips. Then again set it, so you can see that when you swipe it, it comes correctly. So let's go to the second one and do the same 3D transition, and I'm going to do flips. So you can see when you change, it comes nicely. So that's how you add transition also. So now I'm going to teach you the export info. I'm going to teach you about the export information, and also I'm going to teach you how to export it. So let's go for that part right now. So before exporting, let's just check one last time finally whether everything is correct. So So okay, then we have a small video part. Let's just trim it, and then now it's successfully, it's clean and everything is done correctly. So all I have to do is click the share button on the left side, then it will go to the export folder. So I wanna choose it to be FHD. So first you make the bitrate high, and then it's in 4K. I'm going to choose it to be exported to FHD 1080p, and then 30 frames per second. So if it's HD, the size is low, so when it's 4K it's high. So I'm just going to make it to FHD. So once it's done, all you have to do is just click export. So now you can see our video is getting exported. So I'm gonna skip this part for you, and let's see the final results. So as you can see, our video has been exported successfully. So let's go to gallery and view it. So this is gonna be our final video, and I'm gonna put it on screen right now. So the video you saw was our final video which we edited right now. So if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and see you guys in the next one.